In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and sneaky way to promote Clickbank products on Facebook. Using this method, you don't have to spam your links, you can add value, and you can help solve people's problems. In addition, I'm going to give you the exact landing page that you need to go ahead and get started. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. As I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step everything that you need to do to start making passive income with Clickbank and Facebook. Now, the first thing that you need to do is find a product. So here I am at clickbank.com. Clickbank is where you can go as an affiliate to find different products to promote. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's 100% free and it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes. All right, so once you sign up, you are going to head over to the marketplace. The marketplace is where you can find a ton of different products to promote. What you see on the left-hand side in white and red are the different niches or categories. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the health and fitness niche and we're going to press this triangle. Underneath the triangle, you're going to find sub-niches or subcategories. What we're going to do is we're going to click on diets and weight loss. From here, we're going to sort by gravity. The reason why you want to sort by gravity is so that you can find the highest converting products that will help you make passive income faster. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the custom keto diet. We are going to open up the sales page and we're going to open up the affiliate page. Now, the reason why you want to open up the sales page is so that you can see what your customer will see and you can get an idea of the different ways to promote the product. In addition, if you go over to the affiliate page, you might have to sign in or sign up, but this is going to give you a wealth of information. For example, it has videos that you could download and swipe, different social media links that you could potentially use. As you can see, you could download and use these social media in your Facebook group or Facebook marketing. Keywords, which is very important, which is something that I like. Email swipes if you're doing email marketing. This is one of the better products that are out there because it has a ton of information. So what we would do is we're going to click and we're going to download these keywords. We're going to use these keywords going forward to help us create content to start making passive income. So now that we're just going to press this download button here. I already have it on my computer, so I'll just open that up. So now that we have our affiliate program that we're going to promote, now it's time to think about content. How are we going to promote this product? And that's where this Excel spreadsheet comes in. And there's actually 2 ways that I'm going to show you how to do this. One is going to be the easy way. The easy way is going to cost you $5 or $10. And the other way is going to be the more difficult way to create content, but it's going to be 100% free. All right, so here is the Excel spreadsheet that we downloaded. We can take these keywords and keyword phrases, copy them, and then go back into Google and paste them in. This is going to help us find different keywords and ideas to create content. What we're looking for are different tips and tricks that we can share with people to gain credibility and to gain authority. When people see that we are providing value or solving problems and not just spamming our links, people are going to naturally want to find out more about us. And I'm going to show you how you can use that to help us build an online business with Facebook and Clickbank. So as you can see here, I just took one of those keywords and I just entered it in, and you can see people have created content. This is the free way. What you're going to do is you're going to take different tips and tricks. For example, if we could say best keto diet plan tricks, hit enter. We're going to take this, we could potentially take this first result here, and we could create infographics. We can create an image, a list of different ways for people to become healthier with keto. For example, we could do a 5 keto diet tips and tricks, put that into a graphic, an image over on Canva, and start making passive income because we're going to get traffic, leads, and sales. All right, so here I am at Canva. Canva is 100% free, but it's a great resource that you can go to create images. What I'm going to do, I'm going to type in at the top right-hand corner, we're going to type in, actually it's already there for us, Facebook post. And as you can see, it's going to have the exact dimensions that you need to create a Facebook post. So we're going to create a post here. And what we can do is we can go over to elements on the left-hand side and we can find an image that is congruent with our message. So for example, we could type in diet, hit enter, and it's going to have different images that we could potentially use. The one thing with Canva is they have both free and paid images. So you want to make sure that you are picking free if you're trying to do this 100% for free. So what we could do is we could make this full size here. And I'm just going to fast forward and show you the end result to get an idea of how to do this relatively quickly. All right, so as you can see, I quickly created something very basic. Now I want to point out to you that you could actually use this one article to create multiple images. For example, if I scroll up here, it says stock your fridge. You could actually create a separate image for 5 items to stock your fridge with if you're trying to stay on keto, something along those lines. What you would do is you could download this, and again, this is the free method to start getting traffic, leads, and sales with Facebook and Clickbank for free. What you could do is you could download this and save it to your computer. Another way, and a much faster way, is to go over to a website like Fiverr and type in weight loss infographics. As you can see here at the very top here, this person will have 200 pre-made health and fitness infographics that you can download. The person down here has 15 and 250 for $10. You could purchase these and download those to your computer. What you could do is once you download to your computer, or you can pay a little bit extra, is you can pay extra to have your website URL listed on each one of your infographics, or you could have a branded image. Here's an example of what you can get if you pay $10 or $15 from Fiverr to have an infographic. As you can see, it has my branded colors. At the bottom, it has my logo. At the bottom left, it actually has my website. So when you put this information together and you put it in the different Facebook groups that I'm going to show you how to do next, people are going to see that you're adding value. They're going to navigate to your website, and at the very least, they're going to click on your link and check out your logo. So I'm going to show you how to do all of this coming up. I recommend that you create or purchase at least 10 or 15 different images for you to use in the next step. And the next step is simply to jump over to Facebook and join different groups. What we're going to do once we get over to Facebook is find groups for the keto or weight loss niche. And to do that, we're just going to type in weight loss at the top left here, and we're going to sort by groups. Now, groups are a great opportunity to get in front of very targeted people because you know exactly what they're interested in and you know how to solve their problem. So what you want to do is you want to look for public groups and groups that have pretty good engagement. So as you can see here, the top group, it's public. It has 59,000 members. The group below it has 1.8 thousand members, but it has 20 posts per day. What I recommend is that you try and join at least 10 or 15 of these groups. And so what I recommend that you do is you just click join group. Sometimes you have to enter in some information, maybe give them an email address, and just fill out the information. And you want to see the types of posts that are being posted. As you can see, if I scroll down, people are just kind of tagging and doing whiteboard videos, and they're sharing information. What I think you should do, and what I recommend that you do, is when you join 10 or 15 groups, add the groups to an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet like I've done. As you can see here, I have a number of affiliate marketing groups, and I have direct links to the group. Next to that, I actually have numbers for different images that I'm going to upload to each group. And let me show you what that looks like. All right, so I've created a folder on my hard drive here, and you can actually do this on a Google Drive where I have a number corresponding with the numbers that are here. So when I want to be a part of this other group, I just put in number 6, for example. I jump over here. When I download number 6, it's a question or a quote. As you can see at the very bottom, I have my website and I have my logo at the bottom right hand corner. And what I recommend that you do is join 10 or 15 of these groups, and you simply add in images. The reason why you want to use images and even video, the reason why you want to use one of the two is because Facebook will promote images and videos much more than just text. So if you can find different images that are relevant, and that's why I recommend that you buy or download images from Fiverr. If you can do that, you can start getting traffic, leads, and sales. Now, what will happen is when you start adding value and you post relevant information, people are going to naturally click on your name to learn a little bit more about you. And this is where the magic happens. And when people click on your name, as I've just done with my name, they are going to be taken to your personal profile. In your personal profile, you should make it so that it is basically a sales funnel. You should have a high converting cover photo or a cover photo stating what you do. For example, if we're in the custom keto diet, you could say, I help people lose weight with the custom keto diet, or I help people lose weight with keto. And when they look at this and they see this button here, they click on it, and you can actually put your link to your sales page. And I'm going to show you how to get a sales page that is 100% free in just a moment. This exact sales page is free, and I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to tell you how in just a moment. So what happens is people see this here. It looks like a button that they should click on, and they click on this button, and they're going to get taken on the right hand side. You can see there's a link where I basically show you how you can get unlimited free leads. Then if they click on your icon or your image, there's another place that you can actually put a link for your sales funnel or your sales page. And as you can see here, you can put yet another link to your sales page, and then one more down here, and then of course this image is also a link to your sales page. So as you can see, there are a number of different places that you can put your link to your landing page, or I recommend landing page because Facebook doesn't often like bit links and or links out to ClickFunnels or Clickbank, excuse me. So I recommend that you send people to a landing page or a bridge page. Now let's go ahead and talk about the funnel or the landing page. You can get access to this funnel, this exact funnel, by clicking the shareable link below. It is a ClickFunnels funnel, completely done for you. It looks exactly like the sales page that we have over here. As you can see, the only difference is the button for the sales page is a little bit wider, and the color goes from blue to green. On yours, it goes from purple to orange, but this is the exact same thing. If they click this link, the video will start. And if they click this button here, they'll be taken to the quiz. The only difference between this one is when someone clicks that button, it's automatically tied to you, versus this one, it's the exact same thing. So what you need to do, this is 100% yours. Just click the shareable link to get this funnel for free. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you can have a 2-week free trial to get started. What you will need to do so that you can get credit for sales is you need to click on the edit page button, and you need to change the button. So while that's loading, like I said, just one thing here, you're going to click on this button here, click on set action, and you need to change this little bit of code right here where it says Godbolt52. That's my Clickbank ID. You need to change it to your Clickbank ID. If you don't change it to your Clickbank ID, you will not get credit for the sale. You can find your Clickbank ID at the homepage once you log into clickbank.com. That's the only thing you need to do. Click save, and this looks just like the real thing. And this will be 100% yours to keep and download and make changes if you'd like. The final step is to make sure that you have a cover photo that gets people to click. You can do this 100% for free over on Canva. Just type in cover photo. If you want a blueprint, I do have a blueprint at unlimitedsocialmediatraffic.com. You go to this website and it'll show you step by step. You can get access to a blueprint to actually create everything that I have here. This high converting image, the where to place your links, and this how to create an image like this step by step. Now, I recommend that you follow this process daily. The more you engage with the audience, your target audience, the more success that you're going to have on the back end. The best way to make sure that your images don't get stale is that you rotate them. Join 10 or 15 different Facebook groups that are relevant to your niche and just keep uploading those images, and then engage with people when they comment. If you want to take it a step further, you can reach out and direct message people that like your images so that you can start growing further, faster, farther. Now that you know my simple 5-step process to make money with Clickbank and Facebook, I want you to check out a free training to learn how to start affiliate marketing fast. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to access that free training. That free training is my #1 recommended way to start an online business and make passive income. Check out these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, to learn even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.